Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale app marketing with TestFlight step by step clearly. To scale app marketing with TestFlight, start by setting clear goals for your marketing campaign. Define your target audience to tailor your messaging effectively. Create an engaging pitch to highlight your app's unique features. Prepare your app for testing in Xcode, ensuring it meets Apple's guidelines. Upload your app build to App Store Connect and configure it for TestFlight. Add internal testers early to gather initial feedback and identify potential issues. After internal testing, invite external testers to broaden your feedback pool. Share invite links through social media, newsletters, or targeted ads to reach potential users. Encourage testers to provide feedback directly through TestFlight and other platforms. Analyze the feedback collected to make necessary adjustments to your app. Regularly update your app on TestFlight to keep testers engaged and interested. Promote new features or updates through your marketing channels to boost visibility. Gather data on tester engagement to refine your marketing strategy continuously. Create case studies or testimonials from testers to showcase validity to potential users. Prepare for a larger launch by leveraging insights from your testing phase. Ensure a seamless onboarding experience for new users once you go live. Monitor user acquisition and retention metrics post-launch to assess your marketing effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.